On the vast African plains, there are no trees to hide behind, no cliffs to climb. When danger appears, wild buffalo do not run. They stand together. This is the story of the Wild Buffalo Defense Circle. Wild buffalo live in large herds, sometimes numbering in the hundreds. Each member depends on the other. Young, old, weak, and strong. Move as one. In this world, survival is not individual. It is collective. Lions are the buffalo's greatest threat. They observe quietly, searching for weakness. A lone buffalo is vulnerable. A united herd is dangerous. When predators attack, buffalo react instantly. Adults move to the outside. Calves are pushed into the center. Horns face outward. Muscles tighten. The defense circle is complete. Each buffalo carries horns that can weigh over 30 kilograms. Together, they create a living fortress. Any predator that comes too close risks being gored, trampled, or crushed. Buffalo use subtle signals, body movement, eye contact, and collective motion. No leader gives orders, instinct does. The herd moves like a single organism. Lions rely on surprise, but one wrong move can turn the hunt into disaster. Buffalo have been known to charge back, rescuing captured calves, and driving lions away. Even the strongest predator hesitates before attacking buffalo. A single buffalo can kill a lion. 100 can destroy a pride. Numbers change the balance of power. Calves are the heart of the herd. Mothers never abandon them. Every adult becomes a guardian. The defense circle ensures the next generation survives. This formation is not taught. It is inherited through evolution. For thousands of years, buffalo survived by unity. Strength alone is not enough. Strategy matters. As predators retreat, the circle slowly opens. The herd moves on, unbroken. In the wild, speed wins some battles, stealth wins others, but unity wins survival. This is the Wild Buffalo Defense Circle, nature's living shield. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.